playing some Five Nights at Freddy's 3. Sorry for the background noise, it's just the movie player. Nobody cares, one guy. Everybody kidding me? Luckily, I hit the reboot all. In case if there's like multiple errors. Also, it'd be a long time and I possibly would get killed. If I do not hit reboot all. Oh my god, where did he go? Where did Springtrap go? I haven't got yet. Gene, are you there? Oh, that sounds like a vent. So I'm probably gonna have to seal one of them after I is done. Okay. All vents are clear. Oh my god. Like I can't do anything. Gotta reboot that. Gotta reboot that. Oh, great. Dummy. I'm done. Strap done.